Aha, J Ghana TV. J Ghana TV, we stand for the truth. Makacho message won saka J Ghana TV a. Subscribe it. Bomodia na send ma wunia. Na wunia no so send ma obi. Send ye be ya mo be hu se J Ghana TV. Ya woni ma pa e de ma. Aha, entertainment show. E na me de bro e wo J Ghana TV so no. Ai, entertainment. Ho nsam de ye de twagu nko a. Wo ye musician. Na do wasem beto a ye de ye beka. Wo ye hwan. Asembe ya se wa warese mumpo na wuntimi mfa nhye wo ho na abomode na atwrogu baabi na ne o de bade a J Ghana TV for ye somu a ye nsaka yaka awie ai bidia ne candy love betimi afre me Yesu ka chire Gagaye na majeso say watch out ye nsambre no me commercial break kakra me dame ho twesi aba me ba ne wo ho bia me de be ma
so TV and YouTube. J Ghana. I'm on a canopy. And so man, I'm feeling it. Na brown crew. So I am a man friend. J Ghana TV, we stand for the truth.
Yo, and you are no near Dofo. Miss Rao. Edia, your friend me, Auntie B, Ashi. Bakodi, Zenge, no majo, Suziento. Saba. Minu ya sa opese waniji. Edi ensem na opese oti. De chese opese wan kasa no ofele ma ho a koso ahwe J Ghana TV. J Ghana TV ennepa wo ho, ensempa wo ho, ahoto wo ho, enioma emuda ho ewo ho bi. J Ghana TV ana kayiko mi J Ghana TV.
Me mama akwa ba biem e de ba J Ghana TV so me da masese mu ka me ho e ma ye kotwa ye ho je ye boafo enkrato e ba ye ai yes emre na me ka ye no hey ababa wa bi na de na asem ba betu social media e na etwagu na me so ma fa bi na me beka o se wo no de onim se ne boy yes kama o de tis kama o de tis kama na scammers a wo bi esuro omo no ono de watimi anya kokuduro se ono de wonim se ne guy no yes kama na the guy dey yes kama na we na one ne guy ne be pre romance na so mo be ye premature kisses ne sa ne ma na eniema kokoso ade be chi na chese wo ba yi menua na numu nyina be ye kuro etimi ye green ono kra de no suspect say bia na ye go no ana ye bia wonya white bi wo na numu ne sa ne ma no okohu le doctor obopine le doctor ye lab bibia wie o se maame mi hu ade poten a hawo o se doctor o hu ade poten ha me say debi we are medical doctor nti na wo se wutimi ye nhwehwemu na wo hu adokora ha me na oba kama say de ye de na be ko bie me ka kyerema so na aye green me bie manum kura kyese me fere mpo doctor ne se maame bo ene je se me twa wo kwa buro kire na matimi akwa yesa ye friend se nkura na me di abro na ababa we say owo hwa na ne one ne guy no wo ho na downfall ebe powura fie ho oba ye omudidi nkoma no we de say ne yenya visitor there wo say me wura kitchen na me kope bibi na me de bre me guy yi na omudidi oba yi so wura kitchen ho no ma minua ensem sisi wo wiase wate ensem sisi onim se ne guy ne yes kama no but no onim se bibi wa akire asama wote se wo na guy ne na damfo ne di nkoma ne se ja asama me beka de mesra mu amon fanche me ni enyan kakra eso mon fanche me J Ghana TV ye de betimi de sa news na bro wo se ja akwo ne bini na ada ne ye de ye pa no mu di en de na bon na we na girl no sa wote na so eno wote se guy ne ka kire na damfo ne se ada ne bini na ye de ye pa no mu ne de chale na bon akwa na so di gabins na dia na akwa ne di ye ne shit ne bon sa na girl ne se shit ne bon na che se me kunu wodi toilet ensem a ekoso wo Nigeria na me de bra wuyo enti no mesre mu menuama ensem sisi wo wiase na nsen ya kuro bi so kra ya se Ghana ha yi omo mu di bini ne de bebile kwa omo mu di bini bebilo ya se kuro bi so public toilet wo ho e na boys yakọ paki omo cars e na ni omu kro omo pan no omo kwantere omo be ye dan a omo be sabi ni dia ye pan no mu dia di we dia mesra mo mfa nche me wate e ye nsem etwagu na me ka kire wo no nti mesra mo hwe mo hu ye wate ai ye da so e wo Nigeria ho a ye ntwie ka scam ma e na ya sa ko biem ye nkwoti a Nigeria ni bi ye so ye actress na etwagu na me ben ye me ko ben ya wo se wo no nim Ghana fo ye problem onim ye how na me sister nye no na te Ghana ha na ye den na sifa ye den na wo de wonim ye how ye de te Ghana no se ai minim mo how na me si ye de radia se ye hu ye how na me kora no onim bibi na me ka se ye how ye kufu adomo just a man your somewhere to chuguni, you're going register for Friday to two seconds and someone just what person what let's say. Yeah, how can you coronavirus? I'll count your could do baby, and yeah, how no. No, sister, yeah, how na say. Yeah, how pa and a say, sister, catch there was the amo how no shwa. Let me say shwa, lege oh, ya lege. Anna. Shwa ben amano ne shwa togo fo shwa ya enokura dia ya na ofiri kakra na me pese me hunu shwa kropotia abawa ka ho asemi na esa shwa ya ye bisa no shwa ben enye Nigeria shwa enye togo shwa na esa nye shwa lege system patro ye shwa ben ye penentem eno wo say ye problem na shwa na me se Ghana shwa say wasian afia Schwarzenegger ye chaaba afia Schwarzenegger na me si hey sister David tete break pause nya botre sister say afia Schwarzenegger ah David wasian me si problem ye afia Schwarzenegger ne mo major problem amode te Ghana ha sister na sa hwe Ghana hwe yeah, if you are Schwarzenegger way, yeah, the man says so. Can you carry it? Also, I'm telling you the fact that's your problem, your major problem that is in Ghana. I'm saying if you are Schwa, dear na why? Yeah, child, if you are Schwarzenegger, I pempemu je name Jimmy D. Dear pa na why yeah? Yeah, to Ghana, yeah, if you are Schwa, what to club? One hour actually a problem. Say yeah, problem, yeah, if you are Schwarzenegger, so starting. Ni your problem ye fia Schwarzenegger jaisa sister jaisa me dem men kan sem bia en hye nim what's the sister me some problem ye fia Schwarzenegger na me say get your break I'm telling you should step on the brake still you are pushing it what's I'm telling you the truth na me say the truth is what what's fia Schwarzenegger me ka kire mo say mo problem no na mo nji me ndi kire se se fia Schwarzenegger ya ye kana asemi omu panyi wo ye nyame nipa na se ye se John the Baptist kura na sra wo ho obetwa bo eni osole a onye gbami onye fefe onye some onye gbami kwasia wate aboa wate kwasia wate am say sister na kwasia no aboa de onye gbami de se nshada ye problems ha problem was ye problem ti e ka wo no nko adia eni ye hwe alege no ye nton no ni emfa no nko Burkina Faso ni emfa nko je nkonfem ko hwe na me say sister wo bo musuo na jai ye emfa Schwarzenegger nko Burkina nko je nkonfem ko hwe amra ha debio na sanko nkonfem ya omutu ko ye he no mo ko ye nye Burkina ho a wonkai se nkonfem ye tu yira ye Burkina le ko pie ye nsanfa ye hwa ya nkasa ye biological shwa lenge o Schwarzenegger ya fa na sanfa nko je confirm sister jai shwa bodo shwa bembelem shwa pu shwa bim balance shwa chasa ya shwa nkasa ya timtum shwa ya fa na nko ni ya fa nko je nko shia nsa amla Ghana ha on that we woni me the on sister I respect you. Was a sister, I'm telling you the fact. That's your major problem. I'm so okay. Send me ye major problem. Yet Ghana ha. Now wait me your research. You enter and research ensi say your problem pa eya hwalege eya fi ahwasenega hwa bimbalam dia ene sister yate na emom no hwa mesrew pie bla be ka bi kire no wate ontimi ntina no kurom no nkire ye mejo problem entina fi mesrew me pacho dia obeka ne bra bonten be ka bi kire wate be ka bi kire yet woso dia na ne ye cause Zandi Camela so Zandi hey sister na da be na ware ye sister uju wo papa se si adu be bia bedru bia na o ma group ena Zandi what is my husband oh let us think what is my husband people marry before you almost men can't just say people marriage before you oh nyame na meka Gagaye minimu ho hwe ne ye kan ye na me de bre wo almost da be na ware ye my husband unimi sa woni kunu atwempena na sa woni na fanyi nsen na sa mwawa ene fa akra na bra me hwe no excuse me fanebra and mission and my husband sister almost wuju ho wate almost men kan so wuju ho na aware no da bi o wo ka se woni mu kunu mpenafo no be ma ne ka cho se ne mpenafo yesai mi ensa pe trace buache na hwan a sister ye pacho yesro ye pacho pa yesro nyame mo aboche wate and my husband no ye I Zandi na ka say you was say ademo ana so da yeso obeware bia na adena munnim so obeware ho adom e na aso no so wono so enne ye ka Mrs. a oka ho modie momma yenko monka ho ne yenko hwe video no na yemra de Zandi kan ye na me de me kan yo seeing is believing momma yenko na yenko hwe video no mra.
And when I'm sorry, minya messages from one ghost page be like I'm saying ghost page because accounts not even say the one nipa ni followers and no picture there as well. And then the panel saw church on kwasiasem, and this is the first time I mean some messages see. Manya messages see ever since I got married. I've been getting this kind of messages, baby. And me my husband will tell me like forget it. I'm a boomer maniegusum. Or tell me like. And then I got to a time my husband got angry and was like, catch you almost say, me say, omombra me ho directly. They should stop coming to you with kasi asemno. And I miss you, Mati. And I just let go. And then I'm sorry, Yana. Sorry for my language. Kwasi besa me send me message. And so you are looking. So you are looking so you are looking and watching your fellow woman in pain. And you are looking at your fellow woman in pain. God will punish you for taking someone's husband. And God will do it. My husband has never ever been married before. And if you think you have a child with my husband, me pacho, a man for munam kwan ho kwan okra ye for mo ehwa mo say ya de. So bring that child. So what the neighbor, na my husband can say yes. Me do wey eye me dia. Ye beji akra na ya hwe no. After what? And the money say mo me dia mo na mo ha madwen and na your husband is this your husband my husband say be onwu yo oti ase. And in as much as only or no and a air trampna and only or no and a war on anything, if you have anything to say, go to him. You have his number, call him. Baby, I will deal well con yen say yenu. And if ye me could run for a bank hotel boka on boss and quasia canon. And need to know, come to his house and face him and let me have my peace of mind. My didn't move man no ya pamo my D. Just because of one or two things, and it is our area. Something if you think you have a child with my husband, me pacho, bring the child. Sabi, a common name. My husband is very comfortable, and as much as he takes very good care of me, should tell you, say, we are very okay. Ye need be cry di crano. One or two people want more and see yes remo let my name rest. Don't come to my DM and start misbehaving. And you me DM na display a level of stupidity ni ignorance no. So what you say? Cause siafo na yam say me ntimi ware. Na yam say ware na bi mama kwemu da. Ma ware mama masunkwa didie. If you were good enough for him, ko beti ni sika be ware o. Nyame na ko ni sika ba be ware me. If you were good enough, Nanka who play you cards well. Now respect na. Kenya mia meti he na ba be ware me. It's more masunkwa didie. More masunkwa didie. And now your husband has a child with me. Me kunu home. Sabi onye gay oni mema to a man of fa. It is of wa na onye ma bra ye be hwa akra no. And for the records, my husband, ever since we got married, or even when I started dating him, he has never slept with any other woman that I know of. My husband hasn't cheated on me, mention that. And then you mo come with me DM no, and then me jai mi kunu. Our marriage is for better and for worse. Sabi o wo kran timi titi ye ntem. Intanya nya mo ka no na ye tie. Ti mo nya nkwasi asem na mo di o me DM no. I have told you, let this be your first and last. Me yo. I am still the same crossing now nim da no men sesaye. The fact that I am quiet doesn't mean say sabi me jimi and our asesa me sesayo. Me sesaye me kuna say oto me funa me so me fa because he's my husband and I need to listen to him. And I'm a very for be money and penyophobia like omone make say and stuff ni say but oman can't tell me say sabi say kwasi eba me DM no di kwasi asema me come to me hwe nipa no. Like I said, and for the records, my husband isn't sleeping with any bitch out there. My husband isn't sleeping with any bitch out there because we could only mean told me fi. My husband can never even he won't even try it. Or baby who nyami kuna kwa no. Into say mo trying when DM mu na mo say ne nyama na say on film na mo fi say coming to me and me dem try wrong meat. Because nyamo nkwa say bi nkwa siafo bi mu say no na be ma me magya mi kunu. Hey, share. Mo nim ntia. Se mo fi mo nkwa si ade yi. Se mo fi se mo nkwa si ade yi. Ena ebe mami minimi kunute matete dia then forget it enye adwuma so stop exhibiting your level of stupidity in my DM. The next time you come and write such stupid things in my DM home, you will see. And now me the channel and when I told him about it, he was like, I didn't know want to me mommy ho. Now they be on some. Listen, my husband has gotten it up to his neck. And as it is now, he is prepared for you guys. My husband is prepared for you guys. This a mumu fi say. Me they can't frustrate me because I be say apuna kan. Some people say mo ya mad to say me. Na munim say mo gina mo na say me zandia. Come physical. Don't go and waste your time creating a new account just to come and tell me nonsense. Don't go and create any account. Come physical with your own account. So who can say what the you can say new account ebe chat me say kwase messages na kwase say mu ye jimi bi sa no na say mu ye jimi sa no e ma mu nyimi sa come with your real account, come to me physically bra ka me say send the mini this is me what you say. And hey, you still have my husband's number and to call me husband no friend no now you need to come now need no don't come to me cry because me me cry nya adwuma. The more you tell me stuff about my husband, the more I love him. The more you exhibit your level of ignorance in my DM, the more I love my husband. The more you fool to me, the more I tell him, baby, I love you. Mati say, nti munya jimienu. It is high time say, mo besua nyansa kakra. Ade na gana maybe mu on ma adwenya adwuma sa. Ade. Hey, my way first and last. Any other ghost I see in my DM telling me shit about my husband again, you see. Kasia. My head, move sa my head inside day. Menya din sa o. Menya din sa. Menya din de kwati papa. Menya din de sisi me ho. Menya din de aware ma ware. It doesn't mean say my head din no kwase be na me DM me kan kwase se me nkyira me. None of you should come and disrespect my husband. None of you should come and disrespect my husband in my DM again. How dare you? How dare you? Mente. Anna, when the mama will be the fake account, yeah, by me DM will be move it. Say now my husband, your husband is this, your husband is that, your husband has a child with me. I don't know, I don't galamse and kola. Me couldn't kwana said be on worry and nobody mine. Me couldn't kwana on worry and nobody mine. I couldn't come and coffee a man no diomoto. So I wouldn't want play cat tea, no a jow. I hate doing this. I hate doing this at all because you're worry and Trump, you're worry and maybe. But then, near Muya and Waho, I'm Muya Basam. Cause Yasamaqua. Let me rest. Let me enjoy my marriage. If you think you have an issue with my husband, you have his contact, call him. If you think you have a child with my husband, come to his house. Bra, you mean at what? Many Mukunya to what? Oba, or so fancy Oba do a befriend me. No, honey, Rebecca. Namunya Jimmy and Mujimi or no. Let me see any ghost in my DM again telling me nonsense. And so you are hurting your fellow woman and you snatch your fellow woman. You snatch. Michelle Mikuno is single. Michelle Mikuno is single. And as it is right now, the only girlfriends I know my husband has, the only girlfriends I mean Mikuno ewo. I Tracy Boachi. Ma Miss Apon. And yes, Tracy Boachi, Abna, my Miss Apon. And I draw fresh. Asa. They are the only girlfriends I know my husband has. Aside them, minimu. So if I don't know you as a girlfriend, I make me what the end wash it. Yeah, I tried to send you to swore. That Jimmy. Let me see any of you, my dear. Mobete. Like I said, who said we couldn't know what bar? Freno. And young Cassiasam. Who said we couldn't know what bar? Freno. And I brefie. Nabeshi. Yabaji. I am calling poor moo. Now, me fear a month for Mokraji or Mokrabi go on Mokrano, and show moon ye. So, who feels say, this say ya? Farmobra, Yabashano. I did Jimmy. What kind of nonsense is that?
Yakwabo Ghana for man mummy and Kanoko no mudriabu. I Zandi Camel na ne Casano. Was say, Nukunu Munyana man, what a it's Ghana for Mesra Ghana for Mamudiabu. Hey, Obia bring a Nukunu say, no more per se. Mumu was say, and yet the mobile can manager Nukunu actually do. Dear Mo Yado Crowd was say, and the back case. Or say, and fan of her back would say. Hey, Munia Mo Yano, Moya Crano don't look into Ghana for Mesra Mo. Mate, dear no Dawson. Zandi say, dear Mobile Piano, and the back case. And the back case, Mummy and to us what? Yet that's what Gano, young baby, a Ghana, hey, and that's what. Honorable Rahel Ajua Apo, former minister, NDC for former minister, and a ye becano winsome. Hey, let the neck was what Ghana, Ghana, ma'am, Adeng, Debbie, me person me wounded the Ghana for mem. What's not brochire? It's me jawo jere aware foforo wo Canada I jawo ba na sia no mo che se divorce paper kra wo de nam proba no kra hu yempo no wasign afa dia police for so wo pachi no say ye bo de waba Ghana no da bi o onwabo apa wonye den na yesa asema wo ho ne se ni kuru dada a waja no onu aware obi wo Canada no ene a police for so no mpa almost so de ne ba Ghana ti Ghana na ya de ne ba na dia fa dia dwantoa asofofo Pentecost fo asofofo Pentecost asofofo na ehuna amanio omo ji aware ni na ehuna amanio chese mpanyimfo a wo Ghana ene hwan ne won fanfa no so gimi am gina hey chese menso so de dia mi se wo de ba menka bi ma nti no on ha no mpo so de beba e wo de dwantoa na nam aden ya yempa na yire choma no ai me yire da de sambe wa me na foforo ba ye na ade a waye die mani nye ho kura ene yesi da bi die na foforo no ba ye waye ya wani nye ho wo yire da dansa ma da bi na wo toka mun na se that is one ma da bi how can you come and drive it again? You don't want it and you buy a new car. Wo se da bi me se mo pa me yire choma me Mompa me yiro choma me pano chona me ba Ghana ya bo me dendende me ba Ghana na che se ye bisa o bisa ye bisa nyina na se da bi bona o ma bona na o mo de na ba Ghana no enti na yire na nje ne back na na se de etiefo ewia sensem se maka chom sensem de bi wo wiase pa mo follow ya mo betensem ekoso enti no se si an ye be ye ne den se honorable nje no kunu back ana se o ma ne nko den eni wo di dwanto aba oso opa na yero chow enti me yere that day sambe wa me na foforo ba ye na de ade a wa ye no o se nani anje ho kra enti ye to aso bio ensam no droso ye to aso a ye wo ho na brant ye bi de osore ye wo se ahemfo nsam e no no de obeka ai ahemfo nsam ahemfo mo ton asase ba ko enti me di malipadu na do no kra no wo ska no then you go and fight and take it. Na brant esi David wo hwe mo yesisie na Ghana ahemfo eye nti ni obesole no wagina no aye den wakasa arise for your country na ni arise ye and then here for your country now for your country there be your sister Cindy where what were you doing there na me kwana minim there be Cindy are you a queen mother in your hometown abrante na simi misa wo so wonim ne antia o ka ahemfo sam na Cindy utimi kwachi sofu kwaku se sofu yaw chinchin atwabia na studio na menye interview na was sofu ro kwa yes sofu ro kwa ka se wonye na was David me say trust me you interview me your star I want to make you popular I want to make you sit na me yes was set camera na ne o DCC ne light na me si jan 100G ni bi se bunim 100G no yes wo mo so camera no kra na adu just a light na adu bobo e yes wo hweye wo so di si akwa isu no say I said you will do the interview you must do it nani abranti esi yo eni e Matthias ye meye debi o na Cindy ye ka hemfo sam what were you doing there o bi baby say ade ye kada Gagaye na wo ho ana ai me ansa na asem no wo mprani a wo mfa betena wo no I capture it was in my mind I hear everything enti I me na me wo ho me TV so for yaw ai me TV so for yaw no ye ni interview no ti interview you course wie ye a wo bisa ansam se adenti na abrante na ka ahemfo asam aden ya wo so obeku asante hene na abrante se na me wo hwa metime ku asam da bi me kura na nya asante hene asam na me ka in general chese me ka ma ahemfofo omo wo Ghana omo ye sanyema no senka omo nyai na ebo man na Cindy wusimu sei Cindy wusimu sei ni bi so you enter it why did you enter it ani abrante na to amane no say Cindy wusimu sei ahemfo sam da bi omo me yanka na abrante yin so na no wo ya abrante pa so obabesie mu chano shanam beye wotimi tire mu se Cindy edue twamu dada imeti edue nka kwache se enyi wono kwanka minim se edue da so wo wiase opeso wo kire ye se Cindy edue ewo ne ha se bebre kwa mimi se edue wo Cindy ha bebre kwa papa na ye de na hu se edue ebe wo Cindy ha bebre kwa wasnai ni tinimu na moto mu nyina edue nko a Cindy wonyo ba bia oye kraman ba
monto Cindy Cash ne nkwasia program na wote Ghana odidi video ho eno nti nkwasia interview bi a na oye ye kanya asande kura ebebo oman a onwene ho na ofiti ya na ofiti ya na o kansem no me say owusu bempa 1000 Ghana cedi na ode ma o se fa koma osofo dankwa no Cindy Cash ewo he okromfo ba ye ma osika se fa koma obi a na wafasika no okromfo kohwini ba afa ni etoso biem odi ene medwam wama medi hu ya papa Cindy Cash medi hu ya to the sense wo kra na me ka sese wo ye ni se wo ye fofole wo nipa da sani nkodi nipa onkodi wo ba wo pepe mama na de tu a wo medwam bigger quiz monto Cindy Cash nkra emusa ne se me say bigger quiz oye ne den oti we so yembe hyew me uhu me sa no me ye criminal na no obi anim da enne na me da na di a kire you can't perform me fire and don't you program no ni din at the fire from above anybody who dares me no me true amana amount because me a desert baby, me a shark baby. Me na me friends you so now so shark and me anwe me. Me koto shark enum, den su enum, went me amene me. Yet nam desert so two people near namu. And anybody medical catch them will be your bed damn me wa quantum, will be your bed damn me my brabum, will be when you know didn't send beba mesono. Me two amana me no me in question. Many will be a misru. That is the reason where me to me akodro kan otum for was say to asem. Yet muti kumase. Mo kumase for na motin sema, motin sema, mo nwene ho nkwa akire no. Mo kumase for na motin sema, mo nwene ho nkwa akire no. Mo hwe kumase. Nipa ba ko tumi koto Rolls Royce e de befam futrom. Nipa ba ko tumi to Rolls Royce e de ba befam futrom. Na kumase kaya yefu a mo fifiri northern region and all over Ghana. Atumi atukwan abakumase se ye ba bebobra because kumase or the same business center enti adwadie ekoso hyew ye ba bebobra John Dramani in Mahama ne nkrofo ba eno nti aye ka no nipa tisa wo kasa wo monwini nkwa akiri nipa ba kotumi kalisi kade koto Rolls Royce na ye wo nkrofo a kaya yofo bo na ne ma mienu na ehye nachi na omo didadida bonten so abra wenum nyina o masede no ebetuma ye masede social security ayese mo wo Ghana no mo so mfa so ne sen enkwa security social security wo Ghana no moduma ne sen opanyin pa wo da social security anu mebusa say sika na eba mo ayese mo de boa nkrofo mu nibie omo mo abekire omo ma beka adwam no ede na mo de ye nkwa siafo na mugu Ghana na mo jimi ye tukwane ye dinya san brem wo Ghana me pa cha wo be share video na mame sansem we mahu ye social security system no e da fom say brim and into Don Muhammad to make and confirm so ba ben yen omo a kurasi ni jimeni wonwene nkwa akiri nti abra ni kurom et se desert so John Muhammad kurom te se desert so fire from above yen so nsem fone nkwa asem so samo ye ne hitia ene ye kan sem kire mo me pese ye kire mo se ye nimsem enti so obi frɛ no ho ohene na so tumi koto Rolls Royce kakaka we ya ne botin dindin e betumi ahwe kumase atumi ati abronsa kese asi wo na se ye kam asem se da bi se ne be o man nyina Alaska US omo state ni ba ko ana se omo ayi ne ba ko e ho ne yetu oil yetu oil Alaska mo amunim US no ma men kama abakosem ne ahindasem obi wa oto wonim fire from above ye fire no ne ye san educate oil na yetu Alaska no obia individual bi owo sa city wo benefit or benefit from the oil yetumi chesika sameboa mo amote Alaska no mo confirm mo amote Alaska no mo confirm na wo obi tise oba me enka menfa masem nkomma so abaye we ade oyeye no na me tu me ho si wo say meye no investigation enfa ho ne ka mebo me tue sika no ma ye ho investigation me ye ho investigation no wo na utru mu nyina utru mu pata foolish girl big quest ne diu ye peni papa me na diwa ye pepi ni papa bi na nka me hu ye na udeti ni papa obi a big quest se wo big quest di etimi di wati kwa to forma wo ye cheap hall a cheap hall girl oba wo ye fufule te se emo fufule wo kwa ada so fufule me kai in the olden days na emo bia metodi e wo mikrom bechem ye frɛ no tunumu taache bechemfo a mo hwɛ me no mo behu asem a mekan emo no fofofo na maame na oton no ni tunumu pa nya asem ketoa tunumu ekura no entini atunumu ya to no tunumu taache sɛ wo ye fofofofo te sɛ tunumu taache mo wo ye fofofofo mo emo amuninim a wo ntam a efo no mese mo mobo oba sindi cash kwashini ba afi me to aso biem emrante a wagyeju o musika obi ho a se ope obi hu da obi ho no akasa e wo phone so obi ho hu woni wakasa wagyeje o musika afi de ekosi sen ana wagyeje mema sika kwashini ba wagyeje mema sika Cindy Cash mesi ba bi o bi amonto ne nkra onye popular mema na ye popular edin obegye ne so no mema na ye notorious me pia bonte na mba se ya e facts and figures na me kura hu se mani na so sa na yensem kwa na mbe ka kire mo
so waji wani so Cindy ye kan hemfo sem chese wo na wo platform e na watwe akogina baabi na waka waji wani so waji wani so Cindy enya me na be kan yo Gagaye minimu ho hwe ai die twaguo e na me so ba betwa bia ye den amamuo mesiro mo obi amfa me ho abufu e ya agro nko a me dia ne candilab ubetimi afa me Yesu ka kire Gagaye ne maje so say watch out ai je Ghana hema eye mea aheya e na medi mu besi dasane e besa to so e be hia da foforo ba be do bia